right here is where you tap your little bracelet to get in, child. Once you come in, hold on. This is the lie. Just give me the lie. Girl, I was trying to figure it out. Finally figured out this was the lie. Down here is what you press if you need. She said cleaning and do not disturb and cleaning. So they don't have no sign to hang up, child. You just press that little button, child. Then we got this in here. Okay, at first I thought it was about zodiac signs and the constellations and the stars. I think that's the concept. But girl, they got drink names and stuff like that. Okay, made my mouth water. We got a little hangers here. And I guess if you want cleaning services, I got 2 pieces of luggage here and they fit perfecto. And here we have life jacket. If I'm going too fast, girl, just sing. Slow down, I just want to get to know you. And then I'll know. That's my cue. So, this is the little safe. Now, do y'all use y'all safes when y'all go on cruises? Let me move this out of the way. So, this is those drawers, child, that I want to get in the house when I get all the coin, okay? When I get some extra coin. Is that the one where you tap it in this? Now, come on now. No? Well, the IKEA, oh, there you go. You have to see how it's slow so it won't slam and all that. Yeah, they got a few of those. Now, that's the, I call it my IKEA drawers. Then we got a little full-size mirror here. I'm in my uniform, y'all. And I got many compliments with this dress on. It's something about this dress. Every time I wear it, y'all. Every time I wear it. Now, if you look over here, we have where the fridge is. It's a little empty, honey. It's a little scarce in there. Okay. We had a remote control telephone, girl. That's that 90s phone there. Octopus. I'm not really sure what that's about. My fan, because I was getting a little hot. Okay. I was a little steamy. A glass. I think this is for the wine. Oh, water. But I need ice because my throat. Child, my throat. Now the iPad goes here. And I think it's dead. Because that's how you control the room. I'm going to charge it up because I don't see it turned on. I don't know. We'll figure that out in a second. I'm acting like I ain't never sailed with Virgin before, but it's been a while. It's been over 2 years. So this is the, I guess, what's happening today. What's happening? Let me get out the light so y'all can see it. Girl, you better pause it, screenshot it, zoom in, whatever you need to do. Then they invited me somewhere, child. Ahoy, Shakita. Kickoff 4:15, the Athletic Club. Goombay.
Ahoy, sailors. Our mandatory sailor assembly drill is now complete. Thank you for ensuring that our ladyship is safe and ready to sail. We appreciate your cooperation.
I'm so proud of everybody.
Now it is time to set sail.
What time is
the
it?
Virgin way.
I'm so proud of everybody.
Ahoy, crew.
Man.
All crew involved in the drill can now return to delivering rockstar service. Thank you.
I was going to say, is she going to let me talk or no? I'm so proud of everybody because, you know, we normally have 1,500 people still who have not went and did a little muster station assembly shenanigans. I did that as soon as I got on board, but they got a little card for me. I gotta open it up now. What that is and now we're gonna open that up later, Chad. We're gonna open that up later. Then we got a little towel. What did it say? Oh, I guess that's when I want to go out there and get in the water. And they gave me another towel here. I don't know. They give you different towels. Now, here, let me stand back. It's a little bad. I ain't going to lie. That's probably what y'all think that is? And I don't know if that's a queen. Is that a full? But it's good enough for me. Now, my legs might be sticking out at the end. I'll definitely let you know if that end up being the case. Oh, we got some controllers over here, child, for the lighting. Oh, and they got a charger right by the bed. Don't I love that for me? We got something here to be able to hang up. Okay, here's the TV. Say tablet not working. Hit your remote's enter button to watch the TV. I wonder why the tablet not working. Here we are over here. Just a little pen view. Standing over here on this side of town. And we have a full-size mirror also so you can check yourself out. Okay. Now the bathroom, I'm used to the bathroom being tiny when it comes to cabins anyway, but this is literally the same size bathroom as my bathroom when I had the full size interior when me and my husband sailed. So it's really no difference. What I do like though, y'all, this time around, oh Lord, here they come again.
Ahoy sailors, Captain Brown speaking. I have the great pleasure of being your captain on board the beautiful Scarlet Lady for this Dominican Days voyage. Thank you for those who have completed our safety drill. I truly appreciate you taking
I want to talk over him, but I feel like we're going to be battling. Give me a second. As I was saying, this time around, I remember the complaint I had was that the shower door, I think, was coming out towards me when I was sitting on the toilet doing the doo-doo. Now, why would I want that? But it looks like they must have heard some things, or maybe my door was just malfunctioned, child. I don't know. It goes inward, y'all. The little rain shower. Rain on me, oh, will you take this? Or it's, I can't stand the rain. Girl. Then they give us what? Body wash, hair condition, hair wash. Now I normally pat my own, child, because I don't need to break out. My skin too sensitive to be trying anything, everything. What kind of soap this is here? Cleansing hand wash. They got a makeup towel. Makeup. You see what, girl, you see. No complaints. I think this is just perfect for myself. Listen here, movies and series. Let me sit down. Ugh. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this bed can use a little topper or something. That I will say. I'm gonna ask if that's possible. If they have something like that. All lights. So we got all lights. Oh, girl, did y'all see how everything just dimped down? Now, hold on, let me turn this one off. Look at my ring light still on and bright. Okay, so we're going to play around with the lights, honey. So you just press this button here. That turns the lights on. You press this button there, and that turns the lights off. Girl is giving turn off the lights. Hey, and light a candle. But I thought they had it where you could set up room controls. Here it is. So the lights here, child. You can do the temperature. Now I just had to turn the temperature up, child. It was a little chilly in here. Whew, thought I was in a little Antarctica somewhere, the North Pole. So they got the moves down here like, oh, not get it on. Hold on. How that look? So let's get it on. Let's get it on tonight. I ain't hear that song in so long by T-Pain. Okay, then they have Hangover. Oh Lord. Okay, that's dim. See how they done dimmed it, and then they got the little light on the lamp. I like that. Yeah, because you know how that is. And they have all the little LED lights. It's just so. If it's a little crooked, girl, just tilt your head. Cause then they got, what's next? Pumped up. Oh, that must mean when it's time to wake up, child. Oh, yeah. See, it done got brighter. And that light that done came on. So that's pumped up. Pump it up. Zen. Now I love me some Zen now. Oh yeah. I think Zen gonna be that girl. They got the blue tint with the low lighting. Yeah, I think Zen gonna be that girl. Photo shoot. Hold on. Now let me find out I can create some content. Oh, because they give you the spotlights. Look, y'all. Not the photo shoot with the spotlight. Virgin better cut it out. Yeah, child. Not only that, you can go here. Entertainment. And girl, what I love about this place, you could literally live in your room if you want to, because the movies that they have, Now, I ain't checked this time around, but when me and my husband was on here, they had some really good movies. It say view all movies. Yeah, we want to view all the movies. Let's see what they got in here, child. Then on here they got ship eats. Not tell us who order and then put my government on there. Let me see. Also, you can have it delivered, which is not included. That's what I miss on Princess. Pre-order breakfast. So they got snacks. Also, you really charging. They're charging you for to deliver it, not necessarily. Oh, not the vegan green tea cheesecake. Red velvet cookie. So they charge you for wine, premium, non-alcohol. Girl, why you ain't tell me you couldn't see? Coffee, tea, beverage essentials. Okay, how I get from out of here? Go back. Then they have the services, which you can do it here, or you can do it on your phone in the app, and then the information while you're on board. And it's charged all the way up, child. It must was dead when I first came in. You can even turn the TV off from right here, child. I like this. Dang, you done turned to 850. Girl, I need to go ahead and charge up my camera. But yeah, we're gonna put it back on Zen. I just had to show y'all.